Hello, this is YK Prakash. In this video, I want to talk about how to interface HC05 Bluetooth module to the Arduino. Our aim is to finally make a clock with all these components. When we make a clock, the user will connect to our clock through Bluetooth of mobile. Then he will send us a command. Our clock will read that command and take any necessary action. Sometimes we have to send a prompt or error message back to the mobile. So our clock should read from the Bluetooth as well as write to the Bluetooth. So that is how we plan to make test programs for this HC05 Bluetooth. So this is our setup. You can see it is blinking faster. Remove the 5 volts connection. Keep this button pressed. Connect the voltage. Then relieve it. You can see the blinking is slow now. You can see that the blinking is slow now. These are the resistor divider. So this is a program called HC05_8001. So initially I want to show you how to change the name of our HC05 module. This is being done in order to show you how to send commands to HC05 module. For this, there is a provision to keep HC05 module in command mode. How to recognize whether HC05 is in command mode or not? When HC05 is in command mode, the LED on HC05 will blink slowly. Otherwise, by default, when you switch it on, it will be blinking faster. You can send command AT all in capitals. If you send command AT to HC05, the response will be OK. This is to check the health of HC05 module. Then the other one we are going to actively use in this example is, if we send AT plus name question mark, we will get the present name of HC05. If you want to change the name, AT plus name is equal to, and then you give your name XXXXX. Okay, then it will set the name to XXXXX. Okay, and I have given other commands also just for your information. For this purpose, we are not using the hardware pins of serial port of Arduino. We are trying to use software serial port. So we are defining a software serial called BT, and it will be connected to pin 2 and 3. Pin 2 is RX, pin 3 is TX. Okay, software serial is a library within standard supply of Arduino IDE. So we just included it here. Now under void setup, we just set serial.begin. This is our serial monitor of Arduino. We call our software serial BT, to which HC05 will be connected. So we set BT.begin, and we have given 38,400 baud rate. This is the default baud rate of HC05. In case yours is less or more, you have to change it accordingly. So anyway, in loop, we are using these simple commands only. If BT available, that means if there is something on BT, okay, then we will write to serial.write means serial means our serial monitor on Arduino. We will write that to this one after reading. Okay, if something is available only, we will be reading, and then we will write it to serial monitor of Arduino. Then if serial data available, if that means if something is available, or if you type something on serial monitor of Arduino, then we will read that serial port of Arduino and then write it to Bluetooth serial port. That is how it is. This is very simple. So whatever you write on the serial port, it will be sent to Bluetooth serial port or the software serial port here. Then whatever the Bluetooth sends back through software serial port, it will be read and displayed on the serial monitor of Arduino. That's how this program works. Now let us upload the program. Now the uploading is done. So let's open the serial monitor. Now I am entering AT command. It says OK. This is the response from BT, Bluetooth. Then I am asking it, what is your name? It says HC05 and then it also says OK. Then I am changing the name to Clocky1. It says OK. Then I am again inquiring, what's your name? It says Clocky1, OK. So it is confirmed. This program is HC05_M. M means mobile. This is more or less same as the previous one. Let us run this program. Let us see on monitor, serial monitor, and also on the right side we have mobile screen. I am running the Bluetooth terminal program, so I allow it to use Bluetooth. It says not connected. So anyway, in setup you make sure you append new line is selected. Now you connect the OS secure. Select Clocky1. It is already recognized. Now it is connected. Now I am typing something from mobile. It is appearing in serial monitor of Arduino. Now in Arduino I am going to type something. From Arduino is appearing inside my mobile. So this is our second program to be used with mobile. We need to handle strings in this case. We want to send and receive strings only, not just characters. Okay. Now this is print to BT. To print this prompt to Bluetooth, first we will print through setup function. Okay. Please enter any string. This is the print to BT function. For the length of the string called message, we are printing each character to BT. BT here is the serial software serial or Bluetooth HC05. Okay. At a delay of 10 milliseconds. Then we are printing print ln for line speed. Then we have temp string, which is what is read from Bluetooth. A string is read from Bluetooth. So there is a function read BT to read a string from Bluetooth. Now in case there is no message, we will just call it no message, and then we will concatenate whether there is any response or not. We will concatenate was received from mobile. Then we will print it to serial port of Arduino. Now let us run this. Upload this. Let's go to the serial monitor. See on the mobile also. Our Arduino has printed on mobile. Anyway, to be clear, we will run it once more. This serial monitor. I'll press reset on Arduino. So now it is clear. Now let me type something in the mobile. See whether it appears in serial monitor of Arduino. This from mobile. See, it appears this from mobile was received from mobile. It will be checking this every 5 seconds. Let me show you the app. Bluetooth terminal. So this is the one. The first one, QWERTY. Bluetooth terminal QWERTY. So this is the one, Bluetooth terminal QWERTY. This is the one you are supposed to install. So this is the connection diagram of Arduino to HC05 Bluetooth module. We will connect plus 5 volts on ground of Arduino to HC05 module VCC on ground. The transmit pin of HC05 is directly connected to receive pin of Arduino. The only other restriction we have to keep in mind is the HC05 receive will not be able to bear more than 3.3 volts. Because Arduino works on 5 volts, anyway we are planning to use our finally clock project with a mobile charger. That means it will be 5 volts. So the transmit pin of Arduino needs to be reduced as far as voltage is concerned. So the transmit pin of Arduino is connected to a resistor divider so that we connect only 2/3 of that voltage to the RX pin of HC05. So for that we are using one 10K resistor and 20K resistor. That voltage divider will reduce the voltage of 5 volts when pin 3 of Arduino goes high to approximately 3.3 volts. So this is a precaution because of limitation of RX pin of HC05. The only thing you have to keep in mind is, in case you are operating your Arduino on a different voltage, let us say you want to use a battery of 4 volts. In that case, your ratio will change. In that case, you have to change your resistors. So in this video, we have seen how to interface HC05 Bluetooth module to our Arduino, keeping in mind that whatever code we try will be later useful for making a clock. So please excuse me if there are any mistakes. Thank you very much.